Do you want to discover how to actually monetize faceless AI channels so you can start making money on YouTube? There's a few key secrets to know before you make as much money as you possibly can. I am going to show you actual examples of channels doing this, so this isn't just theory. The information I reveal throughout this video is extremely valuable, so make sure you watch till the end. I am going to walk you through exactly how to monetize your channel so you can actually make money from them. I am going to show you some ways of making money you have not ever thought of when it comes to doing YouTube. So you might already know YouTube put ads on your videos you upload, and they do this once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. If you are in a high CPM niche, you will typically make around $10 per thousand views, anything related to health, wealth, technology, travel, or tutorial niche. Now what if I tell you that this is the worst way of making money? It takes a lot of time to monetize a new channel, especially for beginners, and the amount of money you will make is significantly lower than other ways of making money I will later mention in the video. Now it doesn't mean ad revenue is useless, but there are other ways of making money before monetization, which means you don't have to wait for 1,000 hours and 4,000 hours watch time. Now let me let you in on a secret, which is how to make 10 times more money than 99% of YouTube channels out there, and the secret is to go to websites like dgstore24.com and sign up to promote, which are known as high payout partner products. These are digital products which you can promote from your YouTube channel, and if you are within a niche like health, wealth, happiness, travel, and relationship, these are niches where people likely have problems, and if you sign up to promote a digital product that solves those problems, usually in the form of an online course, then you can promote that in the link in the description of all of your different YouTube videos, and let's say you got a 50% commission on a $1,000 product, which means you make $500 per sale. Get those 20 sales per month. Even if you are not getting a lot of views, it is still more than possible, and boom, you're making $10,000 per month from a channel otherwise you might not making a single penny from. For example, there are a ton of digital products out there which you can promote as an affiliate and start making money today. Soon I will make a full comprehensive online courses which will teach you all about making money before monetization, so that you don't have to solely rely on YouTube for generating income. If you are interested, then go down and click on the link in the description. Now, digital products are awesome, and promoting them as a high payout partner is epic. But what if I tell you that there's a way of not only making once from your sales, but making again and again every single month? That's the power of recurring revenue. Now let me just break down the maths on it so you can understand how amazing it is. If you just get 400 people paying you 50% per month, and you get 50% commission on that, that's $10,000 per month for you, and that's recurring for life, as long as people stay subscribed. For example, take a look at this channel called AI Guy. He generates videos about the latest AI softwares and using that to grow on YouTube. Now he can promote software like vidIQ or 11 Labs, and by doing that, not only he is going to make money once when he refers people to sign up, but he is going to make money again and again, and that's so smart. You can also promote softwares related to your niche and can make recurring revenue every month. Now that one YouTube channel called Natural Cured we talked about earlier in this video, which does videos about health and wellness, they could sign up to any health courses available out there. This cryptocurrency channel called Satoshi Stacker could sign up to promote these crypto courses from Digistore24. This animal channel called Animal Facts could promote this dog training course. This technology channel called Top 10 Zones could sign up to promote affiliate links from Amazon for each of their product they mentioned throughout their videos, and this channel called Celestial's Inspiration, which produces spirituality videos, could sign up to promote any of these spirituality products right here. There's tons of products in all the niches I have mentioned in this video. Now you might be saying, what if there isn't a product to promote within my niche? And it is possible that every niche may not have a good product to promote, and that's why you have to make sure you pick a good one. Now that doesn't mean you can't make a ton of money with other niches. You certainly can, even if you run a general top 10 channel, but for making the most amount of money online with YouTube AI faceless channels, you should pick a good niche, and one that will allow you to monetize in the ways that I have mentioned. That's all for this video. Make sure to go down and sign up your email, and I will let you know when the product is ready. If you don't know how to make a faceless videos on one of these niches, then click here.